Okay, so my cancer journey started back in the late 70s as a 4-year-old. I'm actually a two-time survivor. Like I said, in the late 70s, I was diagnosed with retinoblastoma. I ended up losing my right eye. Most recently, I was diagnosed with stage 2C metastatic testicular cancer, and that cancer had spread to my lymph nodes. Had some chemo, had some surgery. 5+ years later, I'm still monitored quite closely. Treatment is hard. Even after chemo was finished, it probably took a good couple months before you started feeling half normal again. The best way for me to say thank you was to participate in the tour, to not only raise awareness but funds that are so important for the Alberta Cancer Foundation and its mission to create more moments for Albertans facing cancer. It's hard to find anyone who doesn't have a story about cancer. It's a very difficult journey to articulate. As a yellow flag rider, I guess if I could provide one message to everyone involved in the cancer journey, it would be don't give up. Don't ever give up.